took this coal and put it inside that smoke.
600 rupees won't even cover the coal. Give this.
How are you all? I'm back at Madina Caterers, and this time for Eid, I thought of covering them because during Ramadan, they added so much value to our channel. So many orders in back.
Now the 8 orders are going on.
And what are you making for me today?
Today we'll also give you tikka.
Tikka will be there too. What goes into 1 kilo of biryani?
1 kilo of biryani contains 2 tomatoes and 100 grams of yogurt.
There are 2 tomatoes, 100 grams of yogurt, and how much chicken? 1 kilo of good chicken will also be 1 kilo.
And the rice will also be 1 kilo.
Okay? It's tikka biryani. What else do you want in it?
This is our garlic paste.
Yes, I am looking for garlic paste. How much will it be if I need around 100 grams? 50 grams garlic paste, 50 grams of ginger paste. Yes, 50 grams of garlic paste is in. 50 grams of ginger paste went in. And
50 grams of green chili.
50 grams of green chili has gone in. 1 kilogram of tikka biryani is being made. 1 kilogram can be eaten by 5 to 6 people comfortably. Now salt is going in. Normally you add salt to taste, but can you give an estimate of how much should be added?
Yes, around 20 to 25 grams.
225 grams.
Add.
And now whole cumin is going in. Your cumin is very fragrant. And this
is coriander and fennel.
Coriander and fennel in what quantity?
Add 10 grams in 1 kilogram.
Masala. Will you get this whole spice? What's in the pack?
What? Add 1 piece at a time.
Add 1 piece of each item. Whole garam masala. Look at all the items in close up. This is my...
It possesses both spiciness and a vibrant color.
Kashmiri red chilies.
What? Kashmiri and spicy?
Both are mixed Kashmiri and spicy, and they have added 1 big spoon.
This is our ground garam masala.
The same ground masala. Use any garam masala you like.
What is this? Turmeric powder.
Turmeric. You have also added 1 big spoon of this ingredient, and now edible food color is being added to the mixture.
And dried fenugreek leaves.
Dried fenugreek leaves. Mix it. Let me tell you, the aroma is very nice. And now the potatoes are being added to the mix. Do you normally add potatoes to tikka biryani?
No, we don't.
I requested it, so they added it. Now we are adding tandoori masala into the mix using 1 big spoonful. You can take 1 tablespoon of tandoori masala for this. What am I saying? Why don't you comment below and ask for the full recipe of the masala? Don't stress about the masala. All the masalas are available in the market. All our caterer brothers get them from the market. Okay, what's going in now?
Tomato sauce.
Tomato in biryani, what's the matter? A serving size of 50 grams of tomato ketchup. Chili sauce. This is a new trick we're learning. For caterer style, look at this. Chili sauce and tomato ketchup are going in. And now oil is going in.
About 150 grams.
Look at this. After mixing everything, the gas has been turned on here. A little bit of edible color, and it's added. You have to put a net on it.
It doesn't sit on hearing, right?
Put the net on. How long will you cook it like this?
5 to 10 minutes.
Cook 5 to 10 minutes.
Yes, you should cook it for 10 minutes. After those 10 minutes have passed, you will need to roast it.
Okay, after cooking for 10 minutes.
Take out the body. We'll make tikka. 10 minutes.
How long? For 10 to 5 minutes, yes. Hold it and go. 10 minutes have passed.
Yes, 10 minutes have passed. Our chicken is boiled.
Okay, and you were saying tikka, now it's boiled?
Yes. Now I'll carefully take out the tikka body and then proceed to roast it on the hot coals.
Yes, okay. It's foggy in India. There's fog in front of my camera. Yes, it feels like you can eat it now, but Kamal Bhai is fasting, and I'm fasting too. How will it taste, right?
Isn't it?
We'll also roast the potatoes here. Make sure to keep the issue of poverty in check. It will be useful later, right?
This,
Okay, the gravy is ready now.
that's ready. Should we order?
People are adding barista themselves. How much did it go?
Is this barista?
The Indian one, they added 150 grams. They made it special by adding more.
No, it's not Sugnya. Now, when this softens, we'll add a little water to loosen it.
We'll do it in the fight. And now there's even more. The chicken tandoor is very much available. People actually eat that. Do you prepare tandoor at home in this way? You can do it either with a net or by using the oven.
Who will light the sigdi for 1 kilo?
There's another way. These potatoes aren't fully burnt. It'll get a smoky flavor. Something is coming out good. Now after this step, the chicken will be fully cooked when you give it some dum. Now it is on the right track. After that, water is going into it
To loosen it,
so that the spices mix well. Now it's ready.
your masala is ready now. Now we are going to boil the rice separately and then we will add it on top. This will become our Chicken Tikka Biryani.
The rice is being made. It will stay plain. Nothing different will be done to it. It will remain plain rice. And how long have you soaked it?
2 to 3 hours.
We allow the rice to soak for a duration of 2 to 3 hours.
9
For friends who ask what quality of rice this rice is named. If you get it in your area, take it. You took 3 measures of water and added 1 kilo of rice to it. After soaking for 3 hours, add bay leaves, cumin, brother, what all is going from their treasure? What to say?
Tell me star anise, big cardamom, small cardamom. Then cinnamon stick. No.
Salt is going into it. 2 handfuls, kind of.
You have to fill it with excellent water, not too much.
The rice is dancing and the ghee is melting there. And this ghee is also going into the biryani. What else do you need? Have you ever taken the time to drain the water from the rice before cooking it? After draining the water, I see oil added to it. And now the color is being added into the biryani. By the way, who added this Cura water to the dish?
Hello, Dum.
Do it. How many but?
They
Give it dum for 2 minutes. Turn the gas fast. The rice is ready. Meanwhile, there's some activity with the coal. So what will you do with the coal? We'll tell you that too. Take this coal and put it inside for smoke. What's the matter? What's the matter? What's the matter? The smoky aroma is coming out. Okay, it's given dum. Yes, yes. Yes, it's definitely hot. Chicken Tikka Biryani. Now this is what you call the rice. Take it out. And you added coriander to it.
with it. Okay,
How much money will you receive per kilogram?
this is boneless.
1,200 rupees, right?